Hefty Slider Freezer Calendar Bags is a product that offers reliable storage and organization solutions for users. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, these bags are perfect for keeping your food fresh and neatly stored in the freezer. As an experienced product marketing expert, I am impressed with the features and functionality of the Hefty Slider Freezer Calendar Bags. The use of high-quality plastic material ensures that these bags can withstand the cold temperatures of the freezer without tearing or breaking. With a capacity of 9 liters, they provide ample space for storing a variety of food items, allowing you to efficiently utilize your freezer space. Measuring 5.5 W into 11.6 H, these rectangular bags are designed to accommodate different types of food items, from leftovers to fruits, vegetables, and more. The shape of the bags makes it easy to stack and organize them neatly in your freezer, maximizing space efficiency. The closure type of the Hefty Slider Freezer.